Okay. Yeah, this person hurt you. You know, this person definitely hurt you, and they're feeling like you're not going to open up to them. But see, the Page of Wands just tried to jump out. So that lets me know the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But they feel like you don't. Something just flipped and I saw. Hold on. That was so weird. Hold on a second. Yeah. This, y'all. Somebody, the way that just hid in my deck where I had to flip it over again, I'm telling you, there's somebody here that they don't want you to cut them off, but I feel like they're not saying anything to you. They're hiding their emotions. See, the truth is coming out. They're going to have to speak their truth to you. Tell me about Capricorn, please. What's going on with my Capricorns? Yep. They want to turn things around. This person wants to make it right. See, at one point they felt like they lost you for good. They're coming back. This person wants to make it right with you. But see, the thing is, they're not listening to their intuition because they feel like you don't want to talk to them. They know that you're still upset by everything that they did to you. Okay. They're afraid that you don't want to have a new beginning with them. They're afraid that you don't want to have a family with them. But I do feel like somebody's trying to get out of some type of family situation. Yeah. They need to get out of it because they're like, okay, things may not improve with us if I can't get it together on my end. See, this person's hurting. This is a soulmate connection. Look at that, the King and the Queen of Cups. So this person is definitely upset. They're sad, you know, because they want to come back and make it right. But see, even the way the Queen of Wands just shot out on top of the Queen of Cups, and I know you guys are Earth sign, that lets me know there was somebody involved here. Could have been someone's mother or some type of mother figure. And this is why the person hasn't been really talking to you. This is why there's been little to no communication because they've been feeling stuck in some type of situation that they couldn't get themselves out of. See, look at that. The way that came out, it's like, see, I told you, they were feeling stuck. And they're trying their best to remove themselves out of that energy. But yeah, they've been having a hard time. See, and now it's like they're not being positive. You know, if they can come back and work things out. Because, see, they definitely want things to improve. But, see, they stabbed you in the back one too many times. They kept hurting you. And so that's why they're like, I feel like this is them realizing the truth. Because even with the Hermit here, that's like they've been sitting back. They've been doing a lot of thinking. That's them realizing, like, I really messed up with Capricorn. Like, I got to make this right. So they're coming out of being frustrated. You know, they're coming out of having you waiting around. Somebody could have been dealing with the Libra. Somebody could have also been dealing with the Virgo. But see, yeah, somebody was holding on to them very tightly. And it could have been for money, and that's why you were having to wait. But see, could have been dealing with the Scorpio. But the way that card came out, they were having a hard time trying to put an ending to some type of situation that they were in. Yep, that's why they were moving slow in the past. But the Knight of Pentacles came out reversed. So this is letting me know they're getting ready to pick up the pace. They're coming. They're just not confident in what you're going to say. Because, see, yes, they know that you're owed an apology. But they're feeling like you don't want to build with them anymore. Because, see, they left you out in the cold. And this person, they could be focusing right now on their finances because maybe they felt left out in the cold financially speaking in whatever situation that they've been in. But I'm telling you, they want to come back and give you an offer. Look at that. But they're feeling like you're going to reject it. You see how that person's arms, they're folded? They're feeling like you're going to reject their offer. So they're like, you know, what's the point? See? Because they were being sneaky. Yep, they hid things from you, you know? And the thing is, they're in their head a lot, you know? And right now, they got to make a decision because they want to be with you. You want to be, it's like they know you want to be with them too, but there's just been a lot of drama here. They started some unnecessary nonsense, you know, and whoever that woman was that I picked up on, could be a man for some of y'all, but they're standing in the way, you know, and it could be something pertaining to money. But anyway, so they're saying the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, but they can't move forward with you just yet because they're still going through their lessons. See, with family, there is some type of family situation going on, and yeah, I told you they're feeling stuck. They don't have a peace of mind right now, and I'm telling you, there's something going on with their money, too. They don't have peace of mind with their I mean, even the way the Three of Cups is balanced on my hand. You see what I'm saying? They want to get out of some type of third-party situation that they're in, but they're feeling like they can't. They're feeling like they can't. And see, they want to start, wow, y'all, 11-11. Some of y'all, this is a soulmate or a twin flame. This could be their angel stepping in as well. You know, they want to make it right. They want to balance things out, but it's some type of decision they got to make. But I'm telling you, somebody did take a loss. I know they feel like they lost you, but I'm feeling a loss financially speaking. There's a lot of money here on the table, but it's like they're trying their best to come out of this energy because they want to make it right with you. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with, y'all done skipped over a lot of signs. Oh my gosh, y'all know when I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone. So I apologize. So whatever signs y'all saw, they were there, okay? All I can say is I see Scorpio. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry. I see Scorpio, Pisces. There's another Capricorn here. Y'all just follow along, okay? Follow along. But anyway, somebody, yes, I told you, there's a situation with money here. This person is definitely trying to remove themselves from some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in. Because I told you, they're not confused. They're coming to you guys. Ooh. That was a lot to try to come out. They're coming to you. Could have been dealing with the Cancer. I told you, they're coming to you guys. They're wanting to move forward, but right now, they just can't take a leap. But they're going to make a decision. Wow, y'all see this? 11, 11, 11. You see what I'm saying? This is definitely some type of soulmate or a twin flame situation. When whoever I'm talking to right now, this resonates. It's for you. Angels are stepping in. But the thing is, this person can't take a leap. They're unhappy in some type of like home situation, family situation. It could be like a living situation. Whatever it is, they're unhappy. They messed up. See, even the 8 of Cups tried to jump out. So this person doesn't want you to walk away from them, but they got to get themselves out. But with that Devil reverse, that's them getting out of their head. That's them walking away. Okay. Yep, look at this. I told you, you're going to get an offer from this person, but they're afraid that it's too late. You cut them off. Ooh, yeah, they're in a codependent situation. See? This person, from what I'm seeing here, it's like they're watching you. They've been keeping a close eye on you, Capricorn, even while they're trying to get themselves out of this other situation. Somebody could have been dealing with the Sagittarius, but they're trying to balance things out. So this person has been giving to someone else, and or when they get out of it, they may have to continue giving to them, and they're trying to find a way like, okay, I want to be with, you know, Capricorn or crosswatch. If you're dealing with a Capricorn, this is what they're saying, like, I want to be with you, but I got to get this other situation under control. See? Because right now, they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation. They were juggling between you and someone else. Regardless if it's friends, family, another love interest. Like, this person was, like, running in and out of your life. They could have been even being a player for some of you. But this is why they're afraid that you don't want to have this new opportunity with them. See, they have to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation, I told you. And they will. And they're going to rush in to tell you that. Oh, they're getting on my nerves. Okay, so this person, they're dragging their feet, guys. It's like they want to rush in. They want to tell you this, but they're dragging their feet because they're afraid you don't want to be with them. You know, it's like 1 minute they're like, I'm ready to rush in. I'm ready to tell Capricorn or Crosswatcher, you know, what's been going on, how I'm thinking, how I'm feeling. But then they start taking their time because they're like, man, he or she's not going to take me back. So right now they're just kind of putting the work back into themselves. Tell me more. Yeah, but see, they don't want you to walk away from them. But see, they're back and forth with giving you this offer. It's like they want to. This person, they know, just like I told Gemini, they got to work hard, guys. They're going to have to really work hard to win you back. And see, there's an offer here they want to give you. But see, they're frustrated and they can't sleep because they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer. But the thing is, they're going to come out of being frustrated. They're coming out of that all talk, no action. Like, this person will be putting action, you know, to you and towards what they've been telling you they're going to do. But they're just trying to decide on how to go about doing this because, see, right now they know you're not happy with them. Even the way you just came out, Queen of Pentacles, it's like they know you had no choice but to move on, you know, because like this person was playing around. They couldn't make a decision. And now they're afraid when they come back, like, you're done. You don't want to give them another chance. See, this person definitely wants a victory with you. They want things to improve. Look at that. They want to heal things. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. But see, I told you. Something's going on with them financially speaking because maybe they feel like, okay, before I can extend this offer, I got to get myself together financially speaking, you know, but then I am also afraid that they're not going to accept this offer because I put them in some type of third party situation. And this is what caused an imbalance in the relationship. See, they want to tell you this. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini, but see, them speaking their truth, they're like, it's too late. I don't think they're going to take me back. See, I feel like they're going to let me go because I was playing around. But see, Page of Pentacles, they're not, whoever this is, they're not giving up. They're going to come back and give you an offer. But it's a small offer because you don't trust them. Could be dealing with a Leo. But it's like they don't have the strength to come towards you because, see, this person could be trying to get out of some type of commitment or something they're committed to, but they're afraid that you don't want to be with them. You don't want to commit to them anymore. Could be dealing with a Taurus. But yeah, like, oh, Capricorn. Let's see. Let's get you guys some advice. We'll pull 20 cards. Okay, Spirit. So, when it comes to my Capricorns, top 20 cards, the person that I just picked up on for Capricorn, what advice do you have for them? What advice do you have? Ooh, y'all, they slick. What advice do you have for my Capricorns, please? Ooh, Lord. Okay. Yeah, you guys are like, I don't see myself moving forward with the Chariot reverse. Yeah, y'all are still pissed off. Y'all are still upset, you know, by everything that this person has put you through. But you wearing this little poker face. So to the outside world, to your friends, family, they're like, oh, he or she is fine. But behind closed doors, this situation still pisses you off. And you know what? Another queen tried to jump off. So it's like you're still annoyed because I told you this person was juggling the situation between you and him or you and her because there was somebody else in the picture. That's why it's like you had no choice but to let go. So 1 minute it's like you're confident. The way this came out, you're confident in the situation, but the next minute you're not. You know, there's still a lot of regret here. You know, I feel like you guys are still upset because of how things played out. I feel like it's more so like you're annoyed with this person, but you're more so annoyed with yourself because you guys are like, how did I put myself in this situation? Why did I take them back? Why this? Why that? It's like you're being harsh towards yourself, and Spirit is saying, stop. You know, you had to go through this. This was a lesson for you too. So stop kicking yourself. But you guys are like, you know what? I don't see myself having a new opportunity with this individual. Didn't I? And that was the queen I saw. Didn't I tell you there was a queen that tried to jump out and then she landed right on top of the Queen of Cups? I told you there was another person here. This was that's why you're like, you know what? It is what it is. Like, I'm still upset because I feel like I lost this person to someone else. But at the end of the day, you know, now it's like your guard is up. You're like, no, I don't want to keep going through this. So see, you're not being positive about this situation at all. You're like, and you're like, nope, I got to move on. I have to move on. And I have been moving on with my life. Because, see, I'm tired of the one doing all the work. I'm tired of, you know, he or she not balancing things out. So, you know, they're saying you don't want to move forward with this person. But at the end of the day, somebody's having a hard time. Because, see, there's still love here. And that land on top of past life relationship. I told you guys, this is a soulmate or a twin flame situation that I'm reading for. Whoever this is. There's still love here. This is your person, but you guys are tired. And see, the way the, oh God, they're going to make me reach for it. The way the Ace of Wands came out, put my cards down. It was like this. So it's like 1 minute, it's like you want to have this new beginning with this individual, but the next minute you're like, Even the way the Page of Swords came out, you're trying your best to move on, but I'm going to be honest with you. Some of y'all been watching this person too. You've been keeping an eye on them. You've been checking in. Some of y'all like, I ain't got no choice. It's like this every time I look up, there's something that's reminding me about this person. It could be their name, a song, a scent. You know, maybe they've been visiting you in your dreams. Some of y'all feel like they stalking you spiritually. See, there's the death card. So it's like, you're like, no, I'm tired of this, but I want to put an ending to it. But look, you had to go through some type of transformation because by you putting an ending to it, by you standing up for yourself, you have a big offer coming in. So let's see. This could be from this person. Could be from someone else, but let's see. It's from them. Because see, 8 of Cups, the way it came out, you don't really want to walk away from this person. But you're like, I don't know. Tell me more. Yeah, see, you're feeling like they're not going to give you the stable offer that you deserve. But they're coming back. They're going to give you this offer. Let's see. But you're having a hard time with it. And yeah, there's communication coming in. I feel like your guides are saying they need you to speak up. They need you to speak up and, you know, tell the truth. Because, see, there's a Tower moment jumped on top of the Lover's card. This is you realizing this is your person, okay? This is your moment. This is your Tower moment. But it's like, look, I don't know what to do. It's like I've given him or I've given her this chance time and time again, over and over, and they continue to play me. They continue to juggle between me and another man, me and another woman, me and friends, me and family, me and career, whatever it is, and you're tired. But you guys realize, I feel like you guys have had dreams. I'm gonna be honest. Somebody had a dream here that this was the person. There's an angel trying to bring you guys together, and that's why you're like, I don't know what to do. Oh, Capricorn, this is gonna be good. Yeah, we're gonna talk about this in July. Y'all, please leave me some comments, okay? Let me know if this resonated with you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, but oh, this is gonna be, this is good, because y'all are like, I don't know, but that offer is coming, guys. Somebody's getting ready to get an offer, so please let me know, okay? Right now, I'm not accepting personal readings. I promise you I will open it up as soon as I'm ready. I have to get through the other requests first that came in last month. So once I finish getting through all of those, then I will start on the new requests, okay? All right, guys, I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn.